In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 error code 0x9. So in case you're getting this code, here's how you can fix it. But first, beware, because I've seen many different fixes on YouTube and all around the internet that don't actually work, and I managed to find one that works but is a bit more complex. So if you really do want to play this game, this will help you out and probably make the game work for you, but it's a bit more advanced. So just beware. Now, the first thing you want to do for this, you will need a second drive or partition, okay? So you'll need either a second internal drive or to partition your existing drive, okay? So there's also a side note over here. This solution will not work with external drive. So make sure you have an internal drive and or a partition of your existing drive. Then what you want to do is move the game to another drive. So moving the game from one drive to another fixed the error for me when I tried this method, and actually fixed the error for a bunch of other people I saw on the internet as well. So for this, I used an old SSD, and it took about 10 minutes to get this done, and people were saying that it takes just about this time, and they used an old SSD and it worked just fine for them too. Now, steps to move the game is the following. You first have to open up the Xbox app and find the game icon. Then right-click on the game's icon and select Manage from the menu. Now then, you want to click on the Files tab, which then should look something like this over here on this screenshot. Let me zoom it in. There we go. Click on the Files tab, and then under Options, okay, which is down here, select Change Drive, which is this thing over here. Then simply choose a different folder or drive to move the game. Then after moving the game, launch the game, okay? And the splash screen may take a few minutes, around 2 minutes to load before the game starts, and hopefully this has fixed your issue like it fixed mine and many other people's on the internet. So by following these steps, as I said, you can potentially fix it and get back to gaming. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.